Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job and want to make money from the comfort of your own home? Are you looking for a way to generate passive income? Look no further than ChatGPT. With this powerful AI tool, you can make up to $489 a day without ever leaving your house. And the best part? It's easy and simple to use. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to make money online using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool that can help you generate passive income. We know that making money online can be overwhelming and confusing, but we're going to make it simple and easy for you. So let's dive in. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Step 1. Identify a target group. The first step to making money with ChatGPT is to identify your target group. Who do you want to sell to? It's important to narrow down your target group so that you can create a content that speaks directly to them. For example, if you're targeting small business owners, you'll want to create content that addresses their pain points and offers solutions. Picture this. You have an online store that sells digital products designed to make people's lives easier. But who should you be targeting? That's where AI comes in. It can simplify the process of identifying your target group. So give the ChatGPT some context. For example, you're selling digital products and you want to solve real-life problems for your customers. It will give you a list of potential target groups: fitness enthusiasts, foodies, travelers, photographers, gamers, beauty lovers, animal lovers, music fans, language learners, and writers. Now, we need to identify the target group that's going to bring in the most profit. To do this, we should focus on 4 categories: comfort, entertainment, personal growth, and convenience. For instance, targeting fitness enthusiasts might be a good idea because people are always looking for ways to stay fit and healthy. Similarly, gamers can be an excellent target group as they're always on the lookout for new games to play. To summarize, with the help of AI, you can easily identify your target group and create digital products that cater to their needs. By focusing on categories like comfort, entertainment, personal growth, and convenience, you can create a successful online business that makes a real difference in people's lives. Step 2. Validate that market. Once you've identified your target group, it's important to validate that market. Is there a demand for your product or service? Are people willing to pay for it? There are several ways to validate your market, including conducting surveys, doing market research, and analyzing your competition. To do this, we need to choose a specific target group that we want to sell to. Let's say we've decided to target e-commerce business owners who are struggling with a particular aspect of their business. By identifying their pain points, we can create digital products that solve their problems and make their lives easier. Now, not all pain points are created equal. We need to choose the ones that are most likely to attract paying customers. In this case, small business owners in the e-commerce industry are a great niche to target. By validating this market, we're already taking a big step towards success. We know exactly what problem these business owners are facing, and we can create products that address these issues. On the other hand, if we were to target a group of eco-conscious consumers, while it might be a personal pain point, it might not be something that they're willing to invest in. So to summarize, by identifying a profitable target group and validating their pain point, we can create digital products that people will be excited to buy. And that's the name of the game. Step 3. Generate product ideas. Alright, let's get those creative juices flowing. Now that we've identified our target group and validated their pain point, it's time to come up with some killer product ideas. Think outside the box. What can you offer that no one else can? Maybe it's a digital tool that automates a tedious aspect of their business, or a comprehensive guide to marketing strategies specifically for e-commerce business owners. But wait, there's more. Maybe you can offer personalized coaching or consulting services, or even create a community where e-commerce business owners can connect and share their experiences. The sky's the limit when it comes to digital products, so don't be afraid to think big. Of course, we also need to consider feasibility and profitability. It's all well and good to dream big, but we need to make sure our product ideas are actually feasible and will bring in a profit. Maybe that comprehensive guide to marketing strategies is a great idea, but will people be willing to pay for it? Step 4. Create the product online. Think of the product online as your best friend. It's always there for you, helping you stay on track, keeping you focused. This is where you'll lay out all your ideas and create a roadmap for your product. Let's start with the fun stuff: features and benefits. What will your product offer your target group that sets it apart from the rest? Maybe it's a digital tool that automates a time-consuming task, or a guide that breaks down complex concepts in an easy-to-understand language. Be as specific as possible about what your product can do for your target group, and make sure to emphasize the benefits. Now, let's talk about potential roadblocks and challenges. Don't worry, this doesn't have to be a downer. It's just a chance to think ahead and be prepared for any obstacles that might arise. Maybe there are technical challenges you need to overcome, or maybe there are regulatory hurdles to navigate. By identifying potential challenges now, you'll be better equipped to handle them later. But don't worry, creating a product online doesn't have to be boring. It's a chance to get creative and think outside the box. Maybe you'll come up with a new feature that you hadn't even considered before, or maybe you'll find a unique way to market your product. Step 5. Produce the product content. Now that you have your product online, it's time to bring it to life by producing the product content. This could include creating blog posts, videos, graphics, or any other type of content that will provide value to your target group. Make sure to prioritize quality over quantity and focus on creating content that truly addresses your target group's pain point. Step 6. Generate the cover. Your product cover is the first thing that your target group will see, so it's important to make it eye-catching and attention-grabbing. Consider hiring a designer to create a professional-looking cover that accurately represents your product and resonates with your target group. Step 7. Write product description. Your product description is your chance to make a strong first impression and convince your target group that your product is exactly what they need. Make sure to highlight the key features and benefits of your product and explain why your target group should invest in it. Use language that speaks directly to your target group and their pain points. Step 8. Write content scripts. If you're creating video content, it's important to write compelling script that engages and informs your target group. Make sure that your script offers solutions to your target group's pain points and focuses on benefits of your product. Remember, your goal is to create content that is both entertaining and informative. Step 9. Write the ad copy. Once you have your product content and scripts in place, it's time to write persuasive ad copy that encourages your target group to take action. Your ad copy should focus on the benefits of your product and highlight what sets it apart from the competition. Make sure to use language that resonates with your target group and emphasize why they need your product. Step 10. Write abandoned checkout emails. It's inevitable that some potential customers will abandon their checkout before completing the purchase. That's why it's important to have a strategy in place for abandoned checkout emails. Your email should be personalized and focus on addressing any concerns or questions that may have caused the customer to abandon their purchase. Use language that is empathetic and informative and provide clear next steps for the customer to complete their purchase. Email should be friendly and persuasive, encouraging your potential customers to complete their purchase. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you too can start earning over $400 a day using ChatGPT. Remember, success requires patience and persistence. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep at it, and before you know it, you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. Thank you for taking your time to learn how to use ChatGPT to make money online. We wish you all the best in your journey towards success. That's it for today's video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to hit the like button if you've enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell. Thanks for watching.